All right, everybody. Now, in this video, I want to share with you a strategy you can use beside the one I already showed you to pretty much promote literally anything you want, especially if you are struggling to get video creators like the channel owners reply back to you in order to rent a link in their description. So this is a really awesome strategy. It's pretty simple. It's very straightforward. And the way we do this is we don't have to contact anyone at all. In fact, all we do is just search for the term on YouTube we are looking to promote something in. Let's say I'm promoting a weight loss product or anything like that related to losing weight. What I do is just look up on YouTube for the term, for example, this one here, how to lose belly fat. And then there are a whole bunch of videos that show up here. Now, the difference between this method and the other one I showed you before is that we are not going to use all of the videos you can see right here on this page. We have to select the ones for this method very carefully. And I'm going to show this to you in the next video, so don't worry about this right now. But just to let you know, we're not able to use all of these videos. In fact, we're just gonna have to pick the right ones in order to not get banned on YouTube, and more importantly, to generate viral traffic to our offers, products, programs, blog posts, whatever the case may be for you, okay? But more about that in the next video. So I'll talk to you in the next one again. Bye.